Contamination is a leading cause of defects, inefficiencies, and unplanned downtime in production processes. Whether introduced by static attraction or generated during processing, dust, fibers, and other dry particles can contaminate fast-moving webs, compromising quality and consistency. For over 40 years, Meach International has been developing web cleaning systems like the CyClean, systems designed to remove dry and unbonded contamination from fast-moving webs. The CyClean is a highly versatile web cleaner, suitable for a wide range of materials. Being non-contact, it is ideal for delicate substrates where surface protection is critical. But how does it work? Static electricity attracts contamination to the moving web. As the web enters the CyClean system, Meach ionizing bars neutralize these static charges at the entry and exit points, preparing the surface for effective non-contact cleaning. Positive and vacuum airflows within the CyClean manifold are then used to break the boundary layer of air, allowing contamination to be released and extracted into the Meach air handling unit. The CyClean is designed for use on webs that are at high tension. But where tension isn't always consistent, Meach offers an alternative. The CyClean R is engineered for use over a roller, increasing web tension while delivering the same powerful cleaning benefits. The CyClean removes contamination down to sub-micron levels, transferring it directly to the Meach air handling unit. The air handling unit sits at the heart of every Meach web cleaning system, delivering precisely balanced airflow and housing an efficient filtration system. Non-contact cleaning eliminates the risk of surface marking or damage. Quiet operation allows installation in enclosed work areas with no health and safety issues caused by noise. Compact design allows the CyClean to be easily integrated into existing production lines. Available for both narrow and wide web applications, the Meach CyClean is a versatile web cleaning system designed to perform across a wide range of applications including coating, laminating, specialty film processing, battery, aluminium foil, shallow trays, food and medical packaging. Wherever surface quality matters, the Meach CyClean delivers consistent, reliable cleaning performance.